Hello and welcome to day 102 of the 1000 days of no code chat. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, grab a cup of coffee, and while you are stretching, your emails have been already sorted, your reports are already generated, and your daily tasks are neatly organized, all without you lifting a finger. Sounds like magic, right? Well, this is not magic, it's automation. In this video, we are going to talk what automation is, why it matters, and how you can start using automation to save time daily. And at the end, I have a small activity for you, so stick around. So what exactly is automation? In simple words, automation means making things happen automatically without manual efforts. It's about setting up systems and processes that work on their own with very little to no human intervention. Let's take an example. When you schedule an email to be sent later, that's automation. Even your morning alarm that rings at the same time every day, yep, that's automation too. Automation started way back in the Industrial Revolution when machines were built to replace human labor. Today, we are automating everything from emails and data entry to social media and customer service, and all using no-code tools. Now you might be thinking, do I really use automation in my daily life? The first one is email automation. Your Gmail filters automatically sort emails into specific folders so your inbox stays clean. The second one is social media automation. You can schedule your Instagram posts or LinkedIn updates well in advance, and they get posted exactly at that point automatically without you having to do anything again. The third one is customer service automation. Those chatbots that instantly reply back when you visit a website, they save businesses hours of work every day. The fourth one is data automation. Tools like Zapier or Pabbly Connect can move data from one platform to another platform instantly, so you never have to copy paste anything again. This can be like sending data from Google Forms to Google Sheets or from LinkedIn to Twitter. And the fifth one is something that we all love: smart home automation. Your lights turn on when you enter the room, or your thermostat adjusts the temperature automatically. How cool is that? As you can see, automation is happening all around us, making our lives easier even without us realizing it. Now the big question, why does automation matter? The first reason is time saving. Even if you automate 1 hour of your work on a daily basis, you're going to save 365 hours on a yearly basis. Imagine what you could do with those many extra hours. The second reason is efficiency. Automation helps you get things done faster and without errors. The third reason is consistency. Machines don't forget, they don't get tired, and they don't do mistakes like humans do. The fourth reason is scalability. You can handle 10x work without increasing the efforts. Think about businesses without automation. They would need hundreds of employees just to process data manually. And finally, the best reason, peace of mind. Automation takes away the stress of small, repetitive tasks, so you can focus on what really matters. All of this said, what we are going to cover in the series is only software automation using platforms like Zapier, Pabbly Connect, and Make.com. Alright, now it's time for your first automation exercise. Take a moment and think about your daily routine. What tasks do you find repetitive? Things that you do over and over again. I want you to write down 3 tasks that you would love to automate. It could be anything: sending emails, organizing files, scheduling posts, or even something as simple as setting up reminders. Got them? Great. Now hold on to that list, because in the next few videos, we are going to show you exactly how you can automate those tasks without writing a single line of code. Also, if you want, drop your list in the comments or tweet them at me. I would love to see what you want to automate. In the next video, we will start exploring no-code tools like Zapier, Pabbly Connect, and Make.com. So if you are excited to start automating and saving hours of work, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.